So good afternoon everyone, welcome back to our channel to discuss Ctet paper 1. I think this is 2018 for 16 or 17 paper. In this one we are going to discuss about the mathematics paper. So in Tstet, now we are going to see the first question. So what is the first question? If 0.139 plus 0.75 plus 2.105 minus 1.001 into 1.1 is equals to 2 minus square, we have to find the value of k. Here you can see the problem which consists of decimal points. First we are going to write the solution for this one. So question number 31. So we are going to for this one. The question is 0.139 plus 0.75 plus 2.105 minus 1.001 into 1.1, which is equal to value 2 minus k. First of all, now we are going to remove the decimal points for all these numbers. Now if you write this one, 139 by this becomes 1000 plus this becomes 75 by, after decimal point we are having 2 digits, in the denominator we are getting 100. Here 2105 by 1000 minus here also 1 by, after decimal point we are having 3 decimals, so we are writing as 1000 into 1.1 can be written as 11 by 10, which is equals to 2 minus k. Yes, now see here, if you take the denominator becomes 1000. So 1000 one times we are getting 1000 we are multiplying with 139 into 1. In 100 table we are getting 1000 one time, so 100 tens we are getting 1000. This 10 we are going to multiply with 75 into 10 plus here as it is 2105, because 1000 one times we are getting 1000, 100 10 times we are getting 1000, and here 1000 one time we are getting 1000. So what you are going to write here, minus, still it is there. So if you multiply 1000 into 10 becomes 10,000, and in the numerator 11 ones are 11 is equals to 2 minus k. Now if you write in the denominator, here it becomes 1000 minus here it becomes 11 by 10,000 is equals to 2 minus k. Here 139 ones are 139, 75 ones are 750 plus 2105. Now you see, if you do addition, 2105, 750 as well as 139. So if you do addition, you are getting 14, here 9, 7, 8, 9, and here you are getting 2994 by 1000 minus 11 by 10,000 is equal to 2 minus k. Now if you do cross multiplication right over here, so if you take the denominator you are getting is 10,000. So here 1000 10 times it becomes 10,000. 2994 into 10 minus 11 is equals to 2 minus k. So 2994 into 10 becomes 29,940 minus 11 by 10,000 is equals to 2 minus k. So if you remove the subtraction, 29,940 minus 11, it becomes 29,929. So you are getting 29,929 by 10,000. 10,000 is equals to 2 minus k. Now if you do division, you are getting 2.9929 is equals to 2 minus k. So if you take interchange these two values, so you are getting what you are getting. Yes, so k is equals to 2 minus 2.9929. So how much you are going to get the answer? Anyone please guess the answers. So here we are having 4 options. First one is 0.8925, second one is 0.982, third one answer is 0.1071, and the fourth one answer we are getting as 0.105. So can anyone guess the answers? So if you know the answer, please tell me the answer. Any guesses of the answers? If you know the answer, please share the answer in the comment box. Yes, anyone? Yes, anyone can guess the answers? $2,994 minus 29,940 minus 11. We are getting 29,999. If you are going to divide, yes. So from here we are going to change. We are going to do some changes. So if you do division of this one, what you are getting? Let me keep this one as it is. This one 2,994 by 1000 minus this one we are keeping as it is. If you are going to multiply, so you are going to get the answer. Yes, it's 10,000. It's 1.1011 is equals to. So what you are going to get the answer? 2.994 minus 1.1011. We are going to get the answer 1.8929. So we got the answer 1.89291071. So if you do the subtraction, you are going to get the answer very clearly. So if you want me to explain the next problem, so from here onwards I'm going to explain once again. See carefully. So when you multiply 1.001 into 1.1, so what you are getting? 1001 into 1001, so 1101.1. so we are getting 1.1011. that one we are going to subtract with 2.94. 2.994 1.011 1.1011. so nothing is then, means we are getting the answer 1.8929. so if you subtract from 2.0000 1.8929, so we are going to get the answer 0.1071. so this is the first one solution. Now we are going to solve the second solution. Now see the second one answer. Yes, what is the second question? If a value is minus 3 by 4, if a value is minus 3 by 4 and b value is 5 by 6, which of the following does not lies between a and b? In the question it is given clearly that they are asking that which of the numbers are not between minus 5 by 6. Now see the option. So if you convert this one, 4 divided by 3, so keeping the decimal point we are getting the value 0. 4 7s are 28, 2.0, 4 5s are 20. So the answer is minus 0.75. a value is 0 and b value is 6 divided by 5.0. 6 8s are 48, 2.0, 6 3s are 18, 2.0, 6 3s are 18, 2.0, it goes on, and 0.8333. We have to get the answers in between these numbers, minus 0.75 and 0.88. Now we are going to see the options. Option A is 0. 0 is not possible. Yes. Get the answer 0. 0 is in between minus 0.75 and 0.83. We have to get the answer. In between answer we have to get 0 is not between minus 0.75 and 0.833. The second option is half. Half means 0.5. Third one 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is minus 0.4. Minus 0.5. The remaining is 7 by 9. 9 divided by 7.0. 9 sevens are 63. 7.0. 9 sevens are 63. So we are going to get the answer minus 0.777 up to so on. So out of these 4, the option is option 4. First one option is C, second option is. Now we are going to solve the third question. Now see the third question. The product of 1.7 into 10 power of 4 and 12.5 into 10 power of minus 6 is expressed in the standard form of k into 10 power of n. Now see what is the question given here. 1.7 into 10 power of 4. The product means 1.10 power of 4 into 12.5 into 10 power of minus 6. Now we are writing all the numbers one side. 1.7 into 12.5 into 10 power of 4 into 10 power of minus 6. If you see these two, it is in the form of a power of m into a power of m. Law of exponent, a power of m plus n. So after removing the decimal point, this value becomes 17 by 10 and this value becomes 125 by 10 into 10 power of, here we are getting 10 power of 4 into 10 power of minus 6 value is 10 power of 4 plus of minus 6, plus into minus, minus 10 power of 4 minus 6 is 10 power of minus 2. 10 power of minus 2. Now you can see here. Now see, if you take both the numerators towards upside, what we are getting the value 17 into 125, 17 into 125 into 10 power of minus 2. This 10 tens becomes 100. If you take 100 to the numerator, it becomes into 10 power of minus 2. 17 into 125. Can anyone guess the multiplication of 17 into 125? How much we are going to get the answer? 17 into 125. 17 into 125, answer is 2125 into 10 power of minus 4. Minus 2 becomes minus 4. Now you can see here, he asked to show in the form of 2k plus n. 2k plus n. This one already we converted in the form of k into 10 power of minus n, where k value is 2125, 10 value is as it is, n value is 4. Now see, 2 into k value is 2125, 2125 plus n value is minus 4. So how much you are going to get the answer? Yes. Yes, here we converted it into the decimal point 10 power of. Here we are getting 2 5 is 10, 0 1 carry. Yes. 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. 2 1 is 2 to the 4. Plus into minus 4. So 4250 minus 4. So you're getting 4226. Yes. So we are going to solve in another method. What is that method? Is 1.7 into 12.5. If you multiply, you are getting the answer 2125. Now see the decimal point after 1 digits we are having. So we are keeping the point 21.25. So if you multiply 10 power of 4 into 10 power of, we are getting minus 2. So 10 power of minus 2 we are getting. So if it shift the decimal point to one more digit, it becomes 10.5 into 10 power of, this becomes minus 1. This becomes the k value and this becomes the n value. 2k plus n. Now see another method we are doing. 2 into 2.125 plus of minus 1. So 2.2.1 4.250 minus 1, answer getting 3.25. So every time it is not necessary that we are going to get the correct answers. So we have to apply lot of different formulas to prove the solution. Now we go for the next question, number 34. Yes. So what is the next question? See the question number 34. Two numbers are in the ratio of 3:5. If 12 is added to both numbers, then the ratio will become 5:7. Find the sum of two numbers. What is given? Two numbers are in the ratio. Two ratios are given. One ratio is 3:5, and when we are adding 12 to that number, we are getting the ratio 5:7. Now whichever we are going to get the ratio problem, we are going to yes, ratio, how we are going to do the ratio problem. So two numbers ratio, whenever we are getting the ratio 3:5, these ratios are we are writing as 3x and 5x. If 12 is added to both the numbers, ratio will be 5:7. Very simple. Now see, two ratio, first ratio is 3x, second ratio is 5x. In the question it is given clearly that so wait for seconds. I'll adjust the table, so we cannot see the table properly. Yes, I think this is the perfect size to fit. I think there will be no disturbances. Yes. Yes, two ratios are 3x and 5x. And the question is given that if 12 is added to that, see these are the two ratios. If I am adding 12 to both the ratios, the next ratio we are getting 5/7. This is a question given clearly. If two ratios are given, so two ratios are 3x and 5x. If we are going to add 12 to both the ratios, we are going to get the ratios 5:7. Now see, we are doing cross multiplication. 7 into 3x plus 12 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 12. 7 we are multiplying to 3x, 7 we are multiplying to 3, 12, 5 we are multiplying to 5x, 5 we are multiplying to 12. 7 3 is 21x plus 12 7 is 84 is equal to 5 5 is 25x plus 12 5 is 60. The variable 25 is bigger than 21. We are taking 21 to the right hand side, and the numerical value 60 is smaller than 84. We are taking to left hand side. So this becomes 84 minus 60 is equal to 25x minus 21x. 80 minus 84 minus 60, you are getting the answer 24. 25 minus 21x, we are getting the answer 4x. 4 we are taking to the denominator of left hand side. 24 by 4 is equal to x. 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. So x value we are getting 6. And what is given in the question? The sum of that given two numbers. One we are getting, see, 3x means 3 into 6 is equal to, we are getting 18. 5 into x, 5 into 6 we are getting 30. These are the two ratios, 3x and 5x. We are getting the answer 18 and 30. If we are going to add both the numbers, we are going to get the answer 48. So you see the option 1 32, 40, options 4 is 56. The option 3 is the correct one. We are getting the answer 48. Yes. Now we are going to solve the next problem, problem number 35. The market price. Yes, I think everyone can able to see the question clearly now. The market price of an article is 840. A shopkeeper gives a discount of 15% of the market price, and still he gets the profit of 19%. What is the cost price of the article? In the question it is given the market price. So first we'll write the market price. Market price is 840 and the discount is 15%. First we are going to find out the selling price, then we are going to find out the cost price. So selling price is equal to market price minus discount of market price. So discount we are giving as 840 minus 15% of 840. 840 minus 15% can be written as 15 by 100 into 840. Now 0 0 will be get cancelled. 5 2 times, 5 3 times, 3 1 times, 3 42 times. The remaining is 840 minus 3 into 42. 840 minus 132, 126. We are going to get the answer 714. We got the selling price. Even after selling price, we got the profit of 19%. How we are going to find out the cost price? Selling price is equals to cost price plus profit percentage of cost price. Now see what is the cost price we are having here. The cost price, selling price is 714. Cost price we don't know. Profit percentage is 19%. We are converting into the decimal point. We are getting 0.19 into cost price. Now see, from both the terms, 714 is equal to cost price plus cost price into 0.19. From both the terms we are taking cost price common, we are getting 1 plus 0.19. If you do addition, cost price will be 1.19. And here we are getting 714. Take this number to the denominator of right hand side. 714 by 1.19 is equal to cost price. Remove the decimal point. So after remove the decimal point, we are getting 100. So cost price will become 714 by 119 into, when it goes to numerator, it becomes 100. So 119 ones are 119 6 are. So cost price will become 6 into 100. So cost price becomes how much? 600. The final answer is 600. Now you can see the options 540, 580, 600 and 640. The final answer is 600 and 600. Now you can see question number 36. This question is from simple equations. Simple equations or linear equation in one variables. In 8th grade, so going to see from the 7th and 8th grade onwards. What is the question? See the question carefully. I think place will be sufficient. If 5x minus 7 by 3 plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 3 by 4 plus 4x. Now if you see the question here clearly, what is the question given? Yes, 5x minus 7 by 3 plus 2 is equal to 4x minus 3 by 4 plus 4x. Now there is no denominator for 2 and there is no denominator for 4. First we have to make the denominator for 2 also after doing cross multiplication. 5x minus 7 plus 3 2 becomes 6. Now we are going to write overall denominator 3 here, which is equal to, write on this 4x minus 3 as it is plus 4 4 become 16x. Overall you are getting the denominator 4. Yes, 5x plus into minus 7 minus 6 is 1 by 3 is equal to 16x plus 4x value will become 20x minus 3 by 4. Now in the left hand side we are having the denominator 3. In the right hand side we are having the denominator number 4. Now we are doing the cross multiplication for both the numbers. So 4 is multiplied to 5x minus 1. 4 is multiplied to 5x minus 1, which is equal to 3 is multiplied to 20x minus 3. 4 5s are 20x, 4 1s are 4, 3 20s are 60s, 3 3s are 9. So interchange these two values. These two values. In place of 9, write down 20x. In place of 20x, write down 9. So this value becomes 9 minus 4 is equal to 60x minus 20x. Now problem will be finished here only. 9 minus 4, we are getting the answer 5 is equal to 60 minus 20x is 40x. So take 40 to the denominator of left hand side. 5 by 40 is equal to x. So x value will become 1 by 8. So problem is not finished yet. Here in the question it is given, still it is there. What is given is find out the value of 8x plus 5. 8x plus 5 we have to find out. So for that sake I am doing right over here in the middle of the problem. 8x plus 5. 8 into what is the x value we got? X value we got here is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 plus 5. See, 8 in the numerator, 8 in the denominator will be get cancelled. 1 plus 5, finally we are getting the answer 6. Now I can see in the options, question number 36, we are getting the option number 1, that is the answer. Now we move for the question number 37. Now see question number 37. Here p value is given as 12xy minus 10y square plus 18x square. Q value is given as 14x square plus 12y square plus 9xy. And R value is given as 5y square minus x square plus xy. These are not in the proper order. First we need to make them in the proper order. Now see what is the question given right over here is, so is given the, here it is given p value is given clearly, p is equals to 12y minus 10y square minus 18x square. If you write in ax square plus bx plus constant should be written, or write ax square plus bxy plus by square is equals to 0 should be written, but it is not clearly ax square plus something xy plus by square, a plus b into xy should be written, finally by square has to be written. Now see, it is not in the order, we are writing minus 18x square plus 12xy minus 10y square. Now q value is given in the order 14x square plus 12y square plus 9xy. This one also we are writing in the order, we are getting 14x square plus 9xy plus 12y square. First we have to find out p plus q value, and directly I am going to write minus 18x square plus 12xy minus 10y square plus q value 14x square plus 9xy plus 12y square. So p plus q value, this is minus 18 plus 14, we are getting minus 4x square plus 12 plus 9 will become plus 21xy plus 12 minus 10 become plus 2y square. We got p plus q value. Now we have to do subtract with r. R value is given as 5y square minus x square plus xy. If you are going to write in the order, minus x square plus xy plus 5y square. Yes, finally p plus q minus r we have to do. We know p plus q value minus 4x square plus 21xy plus 2y square. Whenever we are doing with negative operation, the combined value has to be written in the bracket compulsory. Minus of minus x square plus xy plus y square. Yes, minus 4x square plus 21xy plus 2y square